Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Ecwid for e-commerce, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Ecwid for your e-commerce business, start by visiting the Ecwid website. Click on the Get Started button to create a new account. Fill in your email address and create a password. After entering your details, click on Create Your Store. Now, it's time to set up your store's name. Enter a unique name that represents your brand. Once you've entered the name, click Continue. Next, choose your store's currency from the options provided. Make sure to select the currency that aligns with your target market. After selecting the currency, click Next. You will now be prompted to select a sales channel. Decide whether you want to sell on your website, social media, or marketplaces. Choose the appropriate sales channel and click Next. Next, you'll need to enter your business information. Fill out your business address and contact details accurately. Once completed, click on Continue. Now, it's time to add products to your store. Click on Add Product from your dashboard. Fill in the required details for each product, including name, price, and description. Upload high-quality images that showcase your products. Once you've added the product details, click on Save. Continue to add more products until your inventory is complete. Once your products are set, navigate to the Design section to customize your store's appearance. Choose a template that fits your brand style. You can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts as needed. After finalizing the design, check your store's settings. Ensure that shipping and payment options are set up correctly. Configure your shipping methods based on your business needs. Then, set up payment gateways to accept transactions securely. Once everything is set, preview your store to see how it looks to customers. If you're satisfied with the setup, click Publish Store. Your Ecwid store is now live and ready for business. Finally, share your store link with your audience and start selling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.